If you are getting your skincare advice from a 10-second TikTok, you are probably making one of these 3 viral mistakes. And they are absolutely ruining your skin barrier. This isn't about expensive products. This is about common sense and skin biology. I'm breaking down the biggest mistakes I see on social media, why they hurt, and the quick fix. Let's start with the worst offender. Mistake number 1. The over-exfoliation trap. We are seeing creators scrubbing their skin raw with walnut shells or layering 3 different acids every single night because they are chasing that glass skin look. Here's the reality. Your skin barrier is a shield. Over-exfoliating is like using sandpaper on that shield. It immediately leads to dehydration, excessive oil production, and the exact inflammation that causes new breakouts. The fix is simple. You need to calm down. Cut back chemical exfoliants, that's your AHA and BHA, to a maximum of twice a week. And if you use physical scrubs, make them gentle, not aggressive. Your skin needs time to heal. Mistake number 2. The budget DIY disaster. We have all seen the lemon juice hacks, the cinnamon masks, or the baking soda scrub videos. These aren't saving you money. They are setting you up for months of recovery. The biggest culprits? Lemon juice. It has a pH that is far too harsh for your skin's acid mantle. When you expose highly acidic lemon juice to the sun, you risk a painful chemical burn called phytophotodermatitis. It leaves behind dark, stubborn marks that are way harder to treat than a normal breakout. The fix? Avoid your kitchen. If you want brightening, use a $10 niacinamide or a stabilized vitamin C serum. They are formulated correctly, pH balanced, and won't give you a second-degree burn. Mistake number 3. Stopping at the chin. I watch countless videos where expensive serums and SPF are applied meticulously to the face, and then the routine just ends at the jawline. Your neck and your chest are exposed to the sun and environmental damage just as much as your face. But the skin there is thinner and more prone to sagging. Ignoring these areas will give you a major age mismatch over time. The fix. Treat the skin on your face, neck, and upper chest as one continuous canvas. Every step, cleansing, moisturizing, and especially SPF, must go from the hairline all the way down to the neck. That's it. Stop scrubbing too hard, stop putting fruit on your face, and stop neglecting your neck.
Which of these mistakes were you making? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.